For many years, people in the carpentry and woodworking business have struggled with the thick and bulky conventional push saw. There is a better way. The pull-to-cut handsaw design has been used successfully in the Far East for over 1,000 years. In Japan, construction of buildings and temples required precision cuts to achieve interlocking construction without the use of nails, common in the West. To achieve this precision cut, thin blades were developed with teeth that cut on 3 sides, much like that of a shark's tooth. The results are remarkable when you compare the shark saw with the heavy-set Western push saw. Shark saw pull saw is based on the concept that pulling is better than pushing because it works with the natural flow of the muscle structure of the body. In daily life, pulling is more common than pushing. Take the pull saw concept and engineer it into the thinnest and hardest carbon steel blade on the market today, patterned after one of nature's most successful predators, and you have the revolutionary shark saw pull saw. The most important attributes of the shark saw pull saw are a thin blade, a fine kerf. It's easy to start, makes a cleaner cut, takes less effort, has greater control, and cuts faster. The thin blade and fine kerf is essential, especially when cutting hard wood or expensive exotic woods. It minimizes waste and ensures exactness when cutting several boards of equal length. Begin, simply draw a line and follow it. Notice there is no binding or jumping like you get with a push saw. The shark saw pull saw has 3 cutting edges that act as independent knives, slicing through the wood. The typical push saw, with its heavy-set single point, tears through the wood. The shark saw pull saw provides a smooth, clean cut each time. Notice how little effort is required next to a push saw. Simply pull and let the teeth do the work. That's why it makes an excellent tool for both men and women. The shark saw pull saw with its thinner blade provides a more accurate and controlled cut, and it cuts 3 to 5 times faster than the typical push saw. Notice how much quicker you can cut through a variety of wood sizes. Cutting quicker does not mean you have to operate the saw with fast strokes. Simply take long, even strokes and you'll be amazed with the results. When you're cutting PVC or ABS plumbing pipe, you can expect a smooth, precise cut. Push saw tears at the material, leaving jagged edges and burrs. And look how well you can cut plywood, with or against the grain. Can a push saw do this? When you're doing a framing job, wood can be quickly row cut to workable sizes and then moved to the project area. Hardwoods are no problem for the pull saw. You can cut an end piece off the wood as small as 1/10 of an inch. Try doing that with a push saw. It's impossible. Remember, long, even strokes and a 10% angle works the best. With the shark saw pull saw, sharpening is not necessary. The blades are designed to outlast its counterpart 3 to 1 when used in normal conditions. Sharpening is not needed. The blades can easily and inexpensively be replaced. Delicate but powerful, shark saw pull saw is both a rip saw and a crosscut saw. The shark saw pull saw comes standard with a plastic guard. It stores nicely in a toolbox, or it can be hung on a tool bench. produces a variety of gardening and utility tools, revolutionary nail pullers, and crowbars. Finally, here is a saw introduced to the Western market that does the job right. The Shark Saw pull saw is now challenging push saws in almost every application today, and in many cases it even outperforms power saws. Quality and durability combined with the natural design makes the Shark Saw pull saw the best value on the market today. There is a better way. Nature has taught us a few things. Pull with ease and cut with the Shark Saw pull stroke saw. For many years, people in the carpentry and woodworking business have struggled with the thick and bulky conventional push saw. There is a better way. The pull-to-cut handsaw design has been used successfully